Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So guys, since it's almost Christmas, yes, it's mid-October, so it's almost Christmas, I have to reorganize my garage. Y'all know I do these videos like every few months because like every season it just gets a mess. So let me show you the before, and then we're gonna work on getting the after done. All right, so here's how it looks once you open the garage doors, and this, yeah, it looks pretty crazy. A lot of stuff that is out that don't need to be out is out. There's like purchases like from IKEA, throw pillows that need to go in the house. More IKEA stuff that's in the fall totes that I need to like organize the closets with. But you can see I never cleaned up from the beginning of September. The fall decor, there's still spring decor out here that needs to go away in a tote. Some spring flowers, paper towel, juices, hold on, we got this stuff just laying around on the floor. Pile of shoes that need to go into the tote, but I think that's already full of shoes. And just like little clutters of stuff I take out the car. Oops. Yeah, like stuff that just comes out the car. More stuff that just comes out the car. Just throw it in here. I think this whole pile came out the car from when we went to the beach. Yeah, we just throw it in here. So I just wanted to give y'all like the real, like how it builds up and becomes a whole cluttered mess. Like it happens over time, and yeah. And I feel like because I organize everything, it's my job to clean the garage and organize it. So we're gonna tackle this. I'm probably gonna put like a time lapse over it and some music, and I just want y'all to just chill out, vibe, and watch me transform this garage today, because I'm definitely on like a time crunch. So watch me. We're gonna get it all done today. Alright guys, so what I like to do is clean in categories, and what I mean by that is, like right now, I am collecting all of the clothes. I'm going to go around the entire garage, and I'm going to collect anything that needs to be washed, whether it's jackets, dresses, clothes that came from out of the car, socks, whatever. I'm going to put that all in the laundry bag and put that in the laundry room to clean that later on. And then with this trash bag, it's not for trash. It's literally for everything else that goes inside of the house, and I'm gonna have to organize that bag later. But it's toys, it's shoes, you see there's skates, there's just random stuff. The next thing that I am doing is removing every single bike or riding device, these motorcycles, like all of that stuff out of the garage, because that is a whole clutter within itself. And you can see like they have a lot of different riding devices. So here's how it looks now, the garage, and it doesn't look like I did much, but I feel like I did a lot. And right now I'm going to get rid of everything that's like swim related, whether it's goggles, their, what do you call those, life jackets. There were a lot of toys that they had that they used at the beach that they still were using in the front yard to do kid stuff. But I'm going to shake the sand out of it and gather it all up and put it all away. So the next thing that I'm going to focus on is all of the trash that's in the garage. It's not a lot of trash, but it's more so recycling that just never made it out, and just like little stuff on the floor. So that I'm going to get all of that in the trash, and then the next thing I'm going to focus on is getting all of the spring home decor put away, because like I said, I put the fall stuff out or put it in my house, and then I took the spring stuff and just threw it in the garage. So yeah, again, trash and then spring decor needs to go away. Alright guys, so I thought I was going to get done cleaning this garage in one day, but I actually had somewhere to be that day, so I had to stop what I was doing. But I came back out here this night to continue to, finish what I started, which I had to get all of those sodas and waters off of this wall. I also had to organize this wall. It wasn't that bad, but yeah, I just had to just clean it up and make it look better. A lot of Shook's shoes were on the floor because we tried to take our shoes off before we come in the house, but that black bin you see right there is already filled with his shoes. So yeah, I'm just making this whole section look a little bit better. But I think it came out really, really well. As always, it's a huge difference once you clean everything up and organize everything. Yeah, I like how it came out. I really feel like I can make a job out of organizing people's garages, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.